Godiva Labradors, I forgot the day. Hi, puppies. Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome. Hi, sweet boy. How are you? Hi, Griffin. Hi, Griffin. Hi, guys. Ruff. Bark again. Ruff. Nope. I gotta put a blanket down. So all of these are bleach spots, by the way. We have to re-bleach it again tonight. So we're just playing. Hi. Are you pulling on my scarf? Are you pulling on my scarf? That's not very nice. You're so handsome, Griffin. Hey, what are you doing over there, Blue? Are you biting on the wall? Let's not bite the wall. Do you have, I think you have a leaf in your mouth. Did you have a leaf in your mouth? Handsome boy, handsome boy, handsome boy. Hi, guys. Here. Let's play with some toys. Come on. Go get that ball. Go get that ball. Go get that ball. Oh, you got a toy. You got a toy. You got a toy. You got a toy. All right, I gotta go back in.